Hey, welcome back. What's up? Welcome back to another episode. So, check. Today I rented a fishing skiff. It's a 14-foot long fishing boat. I rented it for it was like $100 for all day somewhere in Newport. Davey's Locker. That's where it was. Davey's Locker. $100 all day. Yo, what? That's a steal, man. But yeah, so dude, after this day, it was so much fun. The fishing was so popping. I want to get my own boat, dude. Someone split half with me right now.
Yeah, there's a turtle right there. There's a crab on the other side. Just look, reminder. It's in forward right now. Okay. And in neutral right here. All the way back is reverse. Okay. And just make sure you aren't going full throttle when you shift.
Just go left for now, okay?
That way? That's not left.
Hold on, I don't know how to do this. Where do you want to go?
That way.
Okay, hold on. So, what I do? hold on, honey. Hold on.
No, you just wanna.
Hold on, I'm trying.
Go reverse.
Alright, y'all. Like I said, this is my first time. And so, dude, operating that boat was kind of tricky. Because, dude, like, when you, like, move it left, it goes right. And you move it right, it goes left. It makes sense to you boat guys. But, hey, shut up, right? It's like when you put your car in reverse and you gotta turn the steering wheel the other way, but rather than going backwards, you go forwards. You both people know what I'm talking about. I'm not tripping. I'm starting to feel like a steering wheel. That's what I was kind of hoping for, but it's just one of these. That's why I'm kind of like, it's like a motorcycle kind of. All right, guys. So for the baits I'm using, if anybody cares, it's I rigged her up with this like a little 1/4 ounce 1/0 jig head with a slam lure. It's like a 2 or 3 inch kind of like a little jerk bait lure kind of a thing. And for me, I have a couple different things. I have I think what was it, like a 1/2 ounce bigger jig head, and I use big hammer swim baits and those Berkeley grubs.
Oh, dude.
Oh god, what if he hopped on our boat? You're good, right?
Yeah.
Hey, so this is the first spot that we hit up, and this is a little deeper out on the open ocean, and this is our first spot, and we were there for maybe like 20-30 minutes or something, and it wasn't really popping, and so we decided to move to shallower water. I don't know, we're going a different direction. Let's make it happen. This area looks a little nice, a lot nicer, huh?
Yeah, it's all foggy.
Good old slam. Let me put this down real quick. Easy, yo, bitches. First one in your face. Alright, boom, I already knew exactly. Alright, let's let this go. Ready? Well, I don't know if I can do a gentle real quick. Hey, we're finally in. Hey, look at it, she got a halibut. It's a nice sized one. It's not spiky, is it? No, it's not. Ooh, it's like a foot long or so.
The biggest halibut.
Let's see, I don't want to hold up by the teeth, so. There you go. Boom, boom. Hey, let's see it swim out. Ready? That's nice. That's a nice one. Woo.
Oh.
Oh no, he might have swallowed it. Hey, holy shit, this is a fucking beefy ass mama. He didn't swallow it, that's good. Oh, he's barely hooked, dude. like that. And bang. Damn, look at that juicy mama. Holy, this is probably, this might be like barely legal, dude. Holy shit. Ooh. Okay, anyway, let's get her out back there. Juicy mama we had earlier, but yo. Hey, bitches. Check, check. Curl. Ooh, ooh. Hey, what? 10 inch or something? Hey, 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 hey. All right, ready? Woo! Hey, this is hers. Probably the last one of the day for her. Hey, hey, little sand bass, bang, bang. All right, let's let this go. Hey, all right. So all y'all be hollering that I haven't posted in a while. So here it is. I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys too. I got a bunch of these vlogs lined up. I'm coming back hot. So we'll hold your horses. I'll be posting these shit like no other.